A lot of engineers and end users has agreed that high-frequency inverters are good, but they are still skeptical about using it because their claim is high-frequency inverters, once they spoil, they are difficult to fix. So, is this claim true or not? Follow me, let's find out. Hi everyone, my name is Bashir from Inside Them. So this inverter came to us that it's no longer working. It's giving error 09, which is common with high frequency inverters. So we're going to unscrew and check it and see what's wrong with it, if we can fix it or we can't fix it. So let's check it out.
So let's unscrew the inverter. I don't unscrew him. Let's open it up. Let's remove out the cover and check. Oops. The MOSFETs are gone. All of this. So let's remove it. So we desoldered all the MOSFETs now. Let's do some cleaning. That place is very burnt. We clean and brush. So we are done with the MOSFET parts. Let's go ahead and check the IGBT. It has 16 IGBTs. So that's the last one. We are dissolving. We are done the soldering. Let's unscrew the heat sink and remove it. Okay, it's off now. So we are going to take our reading with our multimeter. So from the collector to emitter, we should be getting between 350 to 450 with your meter in diode mode. When you are getting 0 or continuity, that means the IGBT is gone. And from collector to the gates, we are supposed to be getting open loop, OL. So these ones are bad. This one too is gone. So this one are still okay. We're getting 380 something. So think about 3. Let's take the other side and see how many are gone at the other side. Still good. Still good. 376. Still good. This one's gone. See? It's gone. Still good. 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 Look, I think it's only one that got damaged at this other side. $381. So it's only one that got damaged at this side. So let's replace them. Okay, our parts are arrived. We order for the parts. Forgive arrived. Let's fix it back. We're fixing the RGBT first. The holes are quite difficult shapes because they need to go in aligned, and then about 48 holes. That's why we're trying to set it from outside the pod. So we've been able to get it on. Let's do that back. Okay. We screw this in so that it will not fall off. We are done with the soldering, so we are cleaning it down. So then we'll fix the MOSFETs. I don't fix the MOSFETs now. So it's all set to go. The board is fixed now. Let's go ahead and test it. So we can't fix it without putting it back to the board, because this particular inverter has a lot of sensors that will not allow it to start if we did not connect those sensors, and the fans too. So that's why I have to put it back in place, and we don't want it shifting up and down, so let's just put it in place. We fix the sockets and the flex that we remove. Let's make sure they are well tightened. All good. So let's put the cover now. I connect the screen. That is concentrate the airflow from the fan to concentrate it to the 2.8 sink, the IGBT and the MOSFET part, so that you're not just spreading all over the inverter. So that's what the plastic is doing. So the screen and the RGB light, that's the RGB light. This is the screen. Okay, so let's test it with our 48 volts. And our battery is 49 volts. All good to go. So connect it to the inverter and hope error 09 disappears. It has to disappear. Okay, let's turn it on.
Don't bring error 09.
And there we have it. Our inverter is up and running.
There you have it. We've successfully fixed this inverter and it's up and running. So the claim that high frequency inverter are difficult to fix is not really true. It just depends on whoever is fixing your inverter for you. So if you let professional fix your inverters for you, then trust me, it is easy to fix. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell so that you can get updates on our video as soon as it's released.